So here is my new suite. We have extra parking back here, some parking here, and on the side there is where you enter from. And here is the building. Then up here we have the suite names. I still have to get mine. Mine needs to go right here, but here's the door, little seating area. Then here's the rest. So where we keep our lunch and stuff. Have the bathroom here. Simple. And then you walk down here, all the way down here. And here's my room. Is where I keep my like jackets and wallet, keys, my Swiffer, and my broom. And I have like extra hooks for anybody else to put anything up there. I got that from at home. I think it was like $12. This is a canvas and it matches my pink. Like this pink and this pink are literally the same. But I got this from Burlington, and I want to say, I think it was like $25, but one of my friends worked at Burlington, and my best friend worked at Burlington, and I got it on with her discount, so I think it was like $18 or so. So I got that from Burlington. My chairs are from Marshalls. Sorry, I had to think about that. My chairs are from Marshalls. The pillows are from Walmart. I actually need to get new pillows, so those won't be here any longer. This little table thing here is from Home Goods. My coasters are custom made for my mom. She made the coasters in that book. That's just from my 23rd birthday with my photo shoot. Then we have my Alexa. And the bulletin board, I put business cards on there. So if you have a business or you have a business card or whatever, you can put that on there and have other people, you know, support your business. This mirror, I love this mirror so much. It was only like $60 something, and I got this from At Home. And as you can see up there, I have a little quote up there that says, "I am enough." So I like to say that every day to myself. You can see my desk and stuff in the back. My Christmas tree is from Walmart. The ornaments are from like Walmart, At Home. My TT came in and did this, so thank you to my TT. Also, my curtain rods, they're from Target. I think for both of them together, they were like $75. My curtains, I don't know where my curtains are from because my TT gave me those for my birthday because she knew we needed them. So thank you again, TT. This here is a light up sign. This is at my old place. A lot of this stuff is from my old place when I worked at my mom's, but this was from Target. I don't know how much it was because that was a while ago. But yeah, that's that. Here's the Wi-Fi password. I got this from Walmart. This is my liability insurance. My desk, I'm gonna slide back. My desk is from IKEA. This is the same old desk. We just put wallpaper down so it looks a whole lot better. Both of my chairs were a gift from Trent, and these were, I don't remember how much these were. I want to say they were like $1 something a piece, but I did get these for my birthday, and these are so comfortable, you guys. Like literally my favorite chair ever. My P&P, these are from Hobby Lobby. These are also at my old location. I don't remember what I paid for them. I want to say $6 each, I think. This here is all from Hobby Lobby. Literally everything, the flowers, the butterflies, and the canvases are from Hobby Lobby. I do not remember what I paid. I do remember that 9 butterflies were $30, but I had a coupon, so they were $15. And like I said, I don't know what the flowers and stuff was. And then this big love thing, I got this from, well, this actually broke, so it doesn't say love anymore. But I want to say, I think I got this from Marshall's. Yeah, I think I got that from Marshall's. Let me pull this out. Excuse this, you guys. I know this looks terrible. I have to get glass put over here. So this is actually going to come off, and then my next wallpaper will be the floor. So this is about to come off. I got my light from Amazon. This is $20. This is an air purifier. This is $60 from Walmart. Got Germex. I got these, well, this from Five Below. Has, like, excuse me, all of my pens and markers, my dry erase markers for my dry erase board. This is a custom cup that my mom made me. You know, it has pens and oil pens in there. And then I have like acetone and liquid, alcohol, dry spray, napkins and stuff up there. This has all my brushes in it, and I got this from Amazon. This brush, probably Amazon. Then my remotes are over here as well. This is actually about to get thrown away because I need a new one. And then I have here my color swatches. My ring light has been with me, God, I think 5 years now. I've had this way before I started doing nails, and I got that off Amazon. My mom got me that. Thank you, Mommy. My TV is from the old house. It's showing pictures of my mom's photography. But we're about to watch A Teacher on Hulu. If you haven't seen it, it's really great. And then here I have a basket with a blanket, and this is my dry erase board. I usually put my appointments and my clients' names on here so I can look at that instead of going to my phone. Is honestly one of my favorite things in my room. Why, I don't know, but it is. It has all my acrylic and all my stuff. So here, my trash can, I have some soap bowls, sanitation pouches, and extra files and gloves, and acetone and alcohol. Here I have all my acrylic. They are separated by brand. So this entire row here, from here, is Glam and Glitz acrylic. Yeah, I literally had to throw some of these away because I had way too much, like literally 3 rows taken up acrylic. You know, three rows is filled with acrylic, so I had to throw some away. And then this row here is Nail Heaven, and then I have some Kiara Sky back there. This is Mia Secret. I love Mia Secret with their cover powders. And then Valentino, I use all their cover powders. I don't really use their pigment powders like that because they're not bad, but they're not the best. So if I have to use any colors, I'll use the Glam and Glitz or the acrylics, which, as you can see, I love acrylics as well. And then back there is Secret Nail Affair. I love them so much. I usually get a lot of my acrylic from them and a lot of my nail design stuff from them. We got my license. These here are my rhinestones. Chisel, I don't use chisel like that anymore. If I do, it's probably this one, which is the Glow White. My clients love that. I absolutely have to keep that at all times. I have some young nails. This is probably, these two are probably clear, and I think this one is the Cover Pink, which I really love. And then up here we got some, sorry, it's a mess. We got some polish. I don't really use a lot of polish, but some of the designs that I do, here's some polish. We have a first aid kit. We got alcohol, my liquid, some cleaning supplies, my cleaning, and then here are my dental bibs. I put these down, and it kind of helps absorb, you know, some of the liquid. Up here we got some more cleaning stuff and trash bags. Okay, and then the lights around are from Target. I think I paid $15 for those. And then we got some Barbicide, clear acrylic, and then my drill. It's kind of dusty. My drill, I have a Daisy D&D drill, and I actually really love it. If you see my last room tour, you know I used to use my Mani Pro. My Mani Pro gave out on me after like 3 years, and my Nail Supply did not have any more Mani Pros, so she recommended this one, and I absolutely love it. It's not as much as the Mani Pro, but it's equivalent to it. It's equivalent to it, and it actually doesn't cost as much. So if you are definitely starting out, I definitely recommend that. I think it was like $240 something, I think. But here, there is where I keep my footstool and like an extra box, because I do acrylic on the toes. So I have a mask here. We got my files. These are clean, new files. My tips, forms, glue, my drill bits, those are clean. These are new. And then I have my top coat and primer and top coat. And these here are just like regular stuff. Hold on, let me close this. And then here, these are where my dirty implements go, so these need to be clean. Those are receipts. These are my sanitation pouches, and this is where my clean buffers would go, but I don't have any buffers right now. And then these are clean implements that have been cleaned and sterilized. These are all of my design things. So I have like snake skin, these are from Secret Nail Affair, butterflies, glitter, these little gold charms, decals, butterflies, just pretty much anything you can think of. Chrome and all kind of stuff is back there. The little pixie bees, butterflies, like I said, anything you can pretty much think of, it's all in here. And then down here is toe separators, because like I said, I do acrylic on the toes. We got some glitter, some sequences and all kind of stuff like that. And then down here is a mess, but these are my tips. I get these off Amazon. And then those containers are cuticle oil, because I make my own cuticle oils and use my own cuticle pins. And this is just a basket of miscellaneous stuff. I got my EOS in here, and then like thumb guards and just extra brushes and stuff like that. Yeah, here is how everything looks from my end, what I see every day. And then I'm gonna show you guys my favorite part. It's literally the exact way that I wanted it. I love this so much. My TT, me and Trent did so good on this. She put all the strips down, the tape down, and then me, her, and Trent basically just colored it in. But like you saw that in my room transformation tour, my room transformation video, but I absolutely love it. Literally, you guys, I did my room exactly the way I pictured it in my head. I wouldn't change a thing about my room. This is literally exactly how I wanted it. What I will be adding is a rug, and then my snacks will go right here. But other than that, this is my room. I'm so proud of this. It took forever. Oh, my floors. We did the stick and peel floors. We got these from Home Depot. I think we got like 4 or 5 boxes, and it came to like $100. But I love every single thing about my room. I wouldn't change a thing. I worked so hard for this. Everything went into this room, and I am so happy about everything. See, and here's Trent. They are the two who helped me put this entire thing together. I couldn't have done it without you guys, so thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. What? I just want to thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos with my room tour and stuff. Now that everything is finally together, I will finally be uploading more, because I know I have not been uploading at all. It's just been a crazy year. I had a lot of things to do. I was being super lazy at one point. But now that my room is completely done, minus, like I said, the rug and the snack cart. Yeah, now that my room is basically done, I will be doing more videos. I'll be doing more videos in here, nail videos, and just like all kind of stuff. So you guys just let me know what you guys want to see from me, and yeah, I will get it done. I will. I'm taking YouTube way more serious now, because this is something that I really want to do. So if you guys want to see anything, or if you guys want me to do a Q&A, or whatever, just let me know in the comments, and I will get it done. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next video.